approximately 5 a.m., I was notified by the TELUS security team that my alarm had been tripped at my place of business. The moment I had opened the camera app, I noticed the front window had been smashed in and there was an individual in the business. TELUS dispatched the police immediately. By the time I drove to the shop, police were already on location. When the police viewed the TELUS security footage, it made it very easy for them to identify and sort out the situation. TELUS's secure business checked up on us. They were able to install an additional motion sensor. As a business owner, the biggest fear is having something occur and not be able to respond to it. Honestly, I tell every business owner I know about how well the TELUS secure business system worked in our favor. That morning proved that the system works flawlessly.